How would it feel if you could create thousands of stunning, 100% original logos from any keyword in just 3 clicks, even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino? Boost profits as well by selling them directly to your clients from your own Fiverr-like marketplace, with no commissions sharing and no extra efforts. And ultimately, get 10x more audience engagement and conversion without literally doing anything by your side. Do you know the most amazing part? You could put this on repeat mode and create unique logos for days, weeks, months, and even years to come with zero Photoshop and zero designing skills. I'm talking about a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to create mind-blowing Canva-style logos for any offer in any niche without investing tons of hours or paying tons of money to expensive freelancers. Unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that using 100% unique logos are the next big thing in the customer engagement universe. And more than 74% of Fortune 500 companies are already using them secretly in their marketing arsenal to get maximum audience hooked. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. 86% B2B business owners will increase their visual marketing budget in Q3 2024. 75% of people can recognize a brand from the logo alone. 68% Americans say a logo is the first thing they notice about a brand. More than 50% logo. Familiarity makes consumers more likely to buy. 57% of people say a logo helps them trust a company. Millennials pay 22% more for products with logos they identify with. So it's crystal clear that creating and selling eye-catchy logos online is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting AILogo Studio. Brand new, first to market AI tech creates thousands of stunning, 100% original logos from any keyword for any offer in any niche in 60 seconds or less.